Okay, so this is the Upwork's job search page. And to apply to any job, we need what? We need connects. And we know that connects have become very expensive. So everyone wants to apply to jobs or find jobs that require lesser number of connects. But how can we do that? How can we search for such jobs? Because there used to be a filter here months ago where you can select the number of connects uh, that you are looking for to apply on jobs, but they removed that filter, so we now cannot filter the jobs according to the number of connects it require. So how can we do that? Well, you will see a link on your screen on your screens right now. You will have to go to that link, and this is the link. Okay, this is a super secret Upwork job search link generator. It is still working, so use it while it is still working because Upwork can change its programming and interface anytime, so while it's working, you can take advantage of this tool that I created. So what we are going to do is that we are going to uh, here we will write a keyword to search jobs for example, I'm going to write WordPress. Then here we will input the minimum number of connects that we are that we can afford to apply, that we can afford to use on jobs. So let's say I am going to type 4 here, and here we can input maximum number of connects that we can afford to apply to jobs. So here I'm, let's say, going to write 7, or I'm going to write 4. Okay, so what I'm looking to do here is I need jobs that are WordPress jobs, and I cannot afford to use more than 4 connects on those jobs. So that's why I have written 4 as minimum number of connects and 4 as maximum number of connects. Okay, minimum number of proposals on jobs, for example, I am looking for 0 number of proposals on job, and I'm also looking for maximum 0 proposals on job. So what is happening here is I'm looking for WordPress jobs that require 4 connects only, and no one has submitted any proposal on those jobs yet. So let's see if we can find those jobs using these parameters. I'm going to, okay, now I'm going to generate a link. It will generate this link. I'm going to click it, and let's see if I get something, or what do I get. Okay, so I got these jobs. Now let's see what I'm going to get here. So this job required 9 number of connects. This means that we don't have any jobs that require 4 connects. But we found a job that has less than 5 number of proposals, or in most likely no proposal. So we have found the job uh, according to these parameters, but we did not find any job according to these parameters. So let me increase the number. Let's say I'm going to minimum number of connects required for jobs, I set it to 5, and maximum number of connects required for jobs, I set it to 7. Again, I'm going to generate a new link, and again I'm going to click, and let's see what jobs I get. I'm going to click here, and I got a job that requires 7 number of connects. And let's see if I can get another job that requires 7 number of connects. Okay, I got another job that requires 7 number of connects. Okay, what about this? Oh yeah, that also is 7 connects. So, and let's see what about this. So it means this filter worked. I found jobs that require 7 number of connects. That's a maximum number. And I also found jobs that, yeah, that has less than 5 proposals or 0 proposals. submitted on jobs. So this way you can find jobs that require less number of connects or that have less competition. So use this tool while it lasts, while Upwork doesn't change its programming or interface. So until then, you can take advantage of this, and good luck.